fried milk, we will use flour, eggs, cinnamon, orange peels, sugar and milk. First, we pour the milk into a pot. Then we add the cinnamon and the orange peels. After that, we put eggs, flour and sugar into a bowl, and then we mix it. Then we put the milk inside the bowl without the orange peels and cinnamon, and we mix it. Then we pour the mixture into a pot and we mix it well. Then we put the mixture in a platter, cover it with aluminum paper and let it rest for approximately 12 hours.
One eternity later.
Now we cut it in rectangles. We put flour in a bowl and an egg on another bowl.
Francesco! Bergolini!
Now we pour oil into a pan. Now we coat the fried milk into butter and put it in the frying pan. When it's done, we get it out. For the pancakes, we will put in a bowl sugar, oil, baking powder, eggs, flour and milk, and we will mix it. Then we put it into a pan. And when it's done, we get it out.